3-5-4-fum. Seesii. Welcome, my friends, to another unboxing show and tell. And today we got a case full of goodies. Now this is a pretty nice set. I already opened it up to take a look at it, but this is a really nice cordless right angle impact wrench. Now it's a full kit. You get your batteries, you get your charger, you get your impact wrench, which is really nice looking. This is great for working on your vehicle, but this is just really nice looking. Just really nice. It's definitely heavy duty. It's got some weight. That's a big motor. That's a heavy duty motor. And speaking of heavy duty, look at these batteries. You can see a battery level right there, 21 volts. Wow. Go ahead and so you could go slow, and this got a little light as well. And you can also adjust down here. You got mode. You got a couple modes down here. Obviously, you can refer to your manual for more information. So this mode, so you got a couple modes. Again, refer to your manual. Let's go ahead and take a look at the sizes. All right. We got 22mm, 24mm, 21mm, 19mm, and 17mm. And you just simply pop it on like this. And you can go slow by pressing the trigger slower. Different settings. 1, 2, 3. And you can adjust that by pressing 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. So, very nice. And of course, you could change the angle by pressing in this. So you could go left or right. Overall, very nice kit.